everybody.
I'm Glynn.
I'm Lucia.
With Lucia and Glynn channel.
Welcome to our channel.
And we want to tell you why we have this channel on YouTube.
This channel is here for those of you who can't do what we do every day. We want to take you virtually on an adventure with us, whether it's a food review or a let's unbox or a big adventure around the world to let you experience what it's like for us.
Our life has been spent seeking travel destinations and food destinations. And when we're done, we always look back and say, you know what? I think people would enjoy seeing what we do and what we ate.
Exactly. One of our playlists is called Drinker Diaries. We take you to different places around the world and show you life beyond alcohol. It's been something of mine that I'm very fortunate of for the past 3+ years and very proud of. And I'm glad to share that with you.
Me and Mayan, I work very hard, and when we take time off, we play very hard. And that is what is exhibited in our videos.
Exactly.
If you have any interest in traveling to the destinations we go to, find one of our playlists,
Please.
Follow us around, and see if it's something that you might be interested in.
Our adventures are very custom and unique to us. Not everybody does what we do, whether it's a cruise or it's a trip with Gate 1 Travel or Friendly Planet. We always find an additional way to make it extra special by finding things that are not on the itinerary.
We make our own fun, and many times that includes bicycle rides, Segway rides, balloon rides, helicopter rides, airplane rides, you name it. We try to do it, and it makes for better content for us, so you get to see what we're doing for fun.
Even in our Feast and Review episodes, it could be a local restaurant right down the road from you. It could be a restaurant an hour away. It could be a restaurant on the other side of the world. We want to take you with us where you can smell what we're explaining and taste what we're explaining so that you are there with us as if you're sitting next to us at the dinner table.
And someday we'll have smell-o-vision so you'll be able to do that. In the meantime, come to Life with Lucia and Glynn. See what you want to see, hear what you want to hear, smell what you want to smell, and eat what you want to eat. And keep coming back for more.
There's so many different playlists out there. We would be here all day explaining it to you, what the different playlists are about. Better yet, subscribe, like, comment down below on each of the videos. Make sure you watch to the very end because it's very important for us. Let us know what you think. What are the pros? What are the cons? What can we do better? Where are we going next? We want to tailor our adventure to your liking.
We're always coming up with new content, so hit the bell and you'll be notified when a new video goes up. And every day we do something fun.
And don't forget, check out our website, luchiaandglynn.com. Sign up for the newsletter if you don't have time to keep up with the shenanigans on the social media platforms. Until next time.
Bye, everybody.